another morning in Sin City. But today we're gonna drive to Flagstaff. We're actually gonna leave Las Vegas today. And the first sin will be coffee and donuts. Lakeside View near Hoover Dam.
Can you see?
Hoover Dam. You know guys, I really like it hot. They are so delicious. So this was a traveling day from Las Vegas to Flagstaff. And actually guys, it's so cold here when you're coming from the heat in Vegas and then go to Flagstaff. Unbelievable. This is our beautiful hotel here that we're gonna be in Flagstaff for 2 nights. And I'm gonna show you my car too, but later. This is our room here in Days Inn in Flagstaff. That's how it looks. I'm in the mirror. And we have this beautiful pool, but it's so cold here. So because we're in America, today we eat Australian in Outback Steakhouse. This is an awesome steak I'm gonna eat here.